All right, everybody, this is Terrence and Caroline coming to you with the travel membership. And today we're going to talk about one of the places we stayed at recently called the Sheraton Resort in Carlsbad, California. Now, we used our GFU membership to save quite a bit of money on this resort. It is conveniently located right next to LEGOLAND here in Southern California. And I want to show you some of the amenities of the hotel, the quality of the room we had, the restroom that we had. I mean, everything was wonderful. So sit back, relax, and check out the Sheraton in Carlsbad. This is the lobby. We're gonna hang out, big fire pit, nice restaurant nearby. Good place to be prepared. Okay guys, so as we're going on this journey, the restaurant area is really nice, but check this out. We actually have a fire pit for pizza. I mean, this is like actually one of Caroline's favorite things. Backing out a little bit, we still got a really cool hangout area where you can bring your own food or eat in the restaurant. The aesthetics are gorgeous. I love, how they do the lighting and the decor. But let's check out the room. Let's go to the room. Here we go. All right, guys, we're in room 2312, which coincidentally happens to be on the 4th floor. The room description doesn't quite, tell you the level you're on, but here we are. Great decor when you first come in. I mean, it's just a spotlight. This is awesome. This is our room. We checked in yesterday. You have a mirror by the door. You have artwork. But this is our room. Very spacious, very spacious. The bed is comfortable. When you check in, you do have this great little Starbucks station with Tazo tea options and a coffee machine. You can get a lot of work done here. If you're traveling with a laptop or working on stuff, very comfortable sized desk, very, very, very comfortable chair. I mean, the padding is thick, there's no arm rail, so you can be, especially if you're a taller person or a larger person, you're going to be great. Comfortable television, plenty of walking space. Now, I wear a size 15 wide shoe, so just to put it in perspective, it's a lot of walking space. You have a docking station to charge your phone. It's an alarm clock, but it has 2 USB ports. It has 2 power plugins as well. And then of course the seating is great. If you're gonna have a guest or just want to relax here, but let me tell you the secret sauce. Okay, the part of this that just takes your breath away is being in Carlsbad, beautiful Carlsbad, California, that is. And here's where you get the secret sauce right here, connecting to nature. This amazing views. Let's zoom in a little bit. It just goes deeper, right? You get the nature sounds. LEGOLAND's not too far away. It's like a few blocks, right? We have Palomar Airport. It's amazing. So if you want to connect to nature and get away for a little bit, this is where you can come. And it was pretty cool. It's not a big balcony, but if you like to sip on your coffee or tea, you have that option as well. You can sit out here and just kind of take it all in, So, all right, that's enough for this small section here. We'll catch up with you a little later. Okay, guys, so next is going to be the bathroom. Check it out. Very spacious. Now, when we come in here, the sink is very wide, right? They come in, they give you some great amenities here, and, check it out. We actually have the body lotion, right? Very awesome brand, Warm Oak, and it smells amazing. And then of course we go over here, same thing. They supply you with a great hand wash, Warm Oak scent, amazing. So when you come through here, next, wallpaper is very well textured. The tub is actually pretty spacious. You have a great textured shower curtain, and then of course the same brand, So we have a variety of products, and a great shower here. So overall, if I have to rate this shower for a hotel shower, I definitely would give it at least an 8 out of 10. At least an 8 out of 10. So amazing bathroom, check it out. All right, let's move forward. All right, let's go. All right, guys, so we're coming out of our room, and we kind of told you guys, you know, that Carlsbad was going to be a very beautiful location. Scenic views, and check it out. This is just us leaving. Oh, you know what's funny? From here, if you look closely, from the Sheraton Carlsbad 4th floor, there's some outline buildings of Legoland. Check it out. I told you we were close. Didn't know we were exactly that close, but definitely. There's a nice ocean breeze going on right now because we are close to the ocean, you know, and of course, just the awesome views you get from the 4th floor of this property is really nice. So I wanted to share it one more time because at nighttime over there, they have the fire pits going on. There's a giant, massive pool. And you know what, let's go on a small adventure and go on for a closer look before we leave the property. Here we go. So check it out. This is the water fountain we were kind of showing you from upstairs. Very beautiful aesthetics, you know. And then of course, as we kind of roll through, you also have the kind of outdoor loungy area, you know. So if we come this way, at night, we kind of enjoyed it for a little bit, but it's cool. You have twinkle lights up here. Very beautiful hangout area. You can grab a drink from inside the bar, come on out here, have a seat, and very large fire pit area. Keeps you warm. It does get a little windy out here. A little chilly at night, but man, this is a great place to hang out. Hey Caroline, so how was your stay at the Sheraton?
Amazing. It had like 5 or 6 small fire pits, one large fire pit that was the biggest I'd ever seen in my life, a fountain that looked like it was from Italy, twinkle lights, an actual pizza oven, like the whole like fire in the hole and you slide the pizza in kind of thing. 10 out of 10 recommend.
Would you come again?
Yes. Wish I could stay longer right now.
That's right. All right, guys, so check it out. This is kind of the outdoor lounging area here at the Sheraton. As we kind of walk through, we see, you know, you have a walk-up bar area, you know, you come through, and this is a really good hangout spot because, you know, you have the section where you can have your drinks and food here. Your kids can come out to the pool area and literally come out here and just have a grand time. Big, massive pool. You know, you're not too far from the ocean. You got the water slides. You know, you have outdoor pits to sit down there and hang out there later on. But I mean, it's just a massive, great hangout, right? So let's start by coming this way now, and we'll go check out some other stuff. Man, they have a ice cream area. What? I didn't even see this earlier. Look, check it out. You can get some ice cream. You got some little breakfast items here. Little walk-up breakfast menu. Open fixed lox and toast. What? Okay. So let's keep going. Check it out. Oh man. Little muffin and croissants. Fresh fruit cup, yogurt parfait. Okay, now as we keep moving on our little tour of the area, you can see that they do have some construction updates happening over here. You know, all right, that's fine. But this is where it gets really interesting. You come down here, the pool area is open to about 10. You know, let's badger our way in. All right, now, here we go. This is where the magic happens for the kiddos, right? You come down here, and man, it's just a good time. So you go here, come down the steps, you got restrooms and showers, right? Watch your step though, you know. You come down here, and man, here it is. So you have the little wade pool for the really young ones, you know. You can come in here, they can kind of walk their way in, kind of a splash pad almost, you know. And as you go through, you have the little amenities here. They also have in the background kind of an activity center, which is really nice. But the pool is amazing, and it's pretty massive, right? There's your water slide where the young ones can go and, you know, really just enjoy that moment. And there's like a little walking trail, you know. Pool comes back around this way, and this is where all the parents can hang out and chill, have a couple of drinks, really enjoy themselves. You got a towel cabana over there, which is nice, you know. And ultimately speaking, you know, there's a lot that can be done here. So let's see if we can get a better vantage point on the other side. Again, this is the wade pool area. Really nice, you know. Try not to slip. But, you know, if we go through this way, But you can really get a perspective of how awesome. I think the pool only gets about 4 feet deep or so. You know, it doesn't get terribly too deep, you know, which is not bad. You know, you have deeper sections, but as a whole, you know, you can definitely come out here with the kids and do a pretty good job with it. And then of course you have the jacuzzi area for at night, which is not bad as well. The towels are pretty good, clean and fresh. Then of course, like I said before, you know, 3.5 feet, not bad. Water slide, it's fairly decent. You know, get a different perspective of it. You know, now it is shut off right now, so I wonder what it would take for them to activate it. But it goes up all the way around. Let's walk the trail and kind of take a look at it briefly. I'll go with you guys. Let's take a little journey together. Man, the landscaping here is good too. And all the smells, the fresh, you know, what is it, ultra sod, you know, mixed in with all the different type of landscapes. This is awesome, right? But there's the water slide. And it's a small one, but it's enough to kind of, you know, get you active and going. That's not bad. So right now it looks like the water slide is closed. So if you're going to be visiting the property, it may be a good thing to spend a little time and make a call and make sure that the water slides are going to be open during your visit, right? Now, right now we are in February, but I'm pretty sure that as the temperature heats up, we're going to get this up and rolling much sooner than later, but not bad. So this is my perspective on the Sheraton in Carlsbad. Pretty nice property. We enjoyed ourselves and we look forward to coming back again. Catch you soon.